Hey everyone, so I got my package today from Louis Vuitton, and it's something that my SA over in New York was helping me get, and apparently somebody didn't want this item from the Murakami collection, so she called or texted me, and I said yes, I'll take it. So keep watching if you want to see what it is. Okay, so it looks like I got a personalized note, my receipt. She sent me some perfume samples, and I've got the special ribbon. But of course the other items or packaging products I don't. But let's see what's inside. Okay, so it's just the standard wrapping paper. Let's see. Get this done. It is the Venice backpack in the multicolor Murakami collection. It's beautiful. I wasn't originally wanting this item. Of course, the one that I wanted, one of the two, were sold out automatically upon release day. But this one looks really cute, and I'm happy to definitely add it to my collection. So, well, I'm curious to see how much I can get to fit in here. So, I'm happy. I've got my bag, and so now I will start to use it and see how well it functions with my lifestyle. If you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.